Welcome to the Super Civics Grade 1 Election Challenge. Hello, learning community. I am your Super Civics superhero. I am here to talk about what it means to be a citizen. All kinds of people make up communities. They are residents, they are neighbors, and many of us who make up community are citizens. Today, each of you are citizens of our community. Citizens are people who live and work together in a community. Citizens make decisions together when they vote. These challenges are designed to help you understand what it means to be a citizen. Share with others and discuss your thinking. Support the Minnesota Social Studies Standards. Feel free to have a family member help you. You may press pause at any time. You may also return to previous challenges. In order to complete some challenges, you may need to visit a special link. See the video description below to find links you can click on. Okay, citizens, put on your pretend cape and let's learn about elections and voting. On Tuesday, November 3rd, American citizens will make a choice and vote for the leader of our country. This person is called the President. Challenge number 1. Citizens know who the leaders are in their community. Who are the leaders in your school community? How did those people earn their leadership role? Who is the leader of our country? There have been 45 presidents of the United States. What do you know about being President of the United States? Use the graphic organizer on the next slide to help you record your thinking. Challenge number 1 continued. Citizens know who their leaders are in their community. In the first column of the graphic organizer, record what you think you know about being President of the USA. Challenge number 2. Citizens know that the President is the leader of our country. Read the book P is for President by Wendy Cheyette Lewison. Challenge number 2 continued. Citizens know that the President is the leader of our country. Journal. Use pictures and/or words to record what you have learned about being the President. Share your thinking. Challenge number 3. Citizens know the President is the leader of our country. Work as a class to record your new learning. In the second column, check your thinking from column number 1. Were you right or were you wrong? In the third column, record new learning after reading the book P is for President. Challenge number 4. Citizens know that the President is the leader of our country. Take a virtual walk through the White House with the Google Arts and Culture White House Tour. What do you notice? What do you wonder? Imagine you have been elected to be President of the USA. Draw a picture of yourself in the Oval Office. Feel free to include your pet of choice. Challenge number 5. Citizens know that the President is the leader of our country. Imagine you have been elected to be President of the USA. What would you like most about being president? Why? What would you find most challenging? Why? Pick one of these questions and respond in your journal. Share. Challenge number 6. Citizens know that the president is the leader of our country. How does someone become president? Let's play a game and answer the question, Pathway to the Presidency. Yes or no? The president must own a pet. Yes or no? The president can be a she. Yes or no? The president must be born an American citizen. Yes or no? The president must have grown up in a big city. Yes or no? The president must be at least 18 years old. Yes or no? The president must know about our country. Yes or no? The president must have served in the military. Yes or no? The president should work hard to serve the people of the United States. Yes or no? The president must have gone to college. Yes or no? The president should be good at working with others instead of being the boss of everyone. Yes or no? The president can be any color, any religion, and can come from any kind of family. Challenge number 6 continued. Citizens know the president is the leader of our country. Work as a class to record new learning. Then ponder and record new wonderings. In the third column, record your new learning. In the fourth column, record your new wonderings. Challenge number 7. Citizens know that the president is the leader of our country. Who is the current president of the United States? He was one of the candidates in the 2016 election. The citizens of the United States voted and the president was elected. Now that 4 years have passed, there is a new election. Who are the candidates for president in 2020? Challenge number 7 continued. Citizens know that the president is the leader of our country. Here are 2 of the candidates running for president of the United States. Trump. Pence. Make America great again. Make America great again. Keep America great. Promises made, promises kept. Biden, President. Our best days still lie ahead. Restore the soul of America. We are America, second to none. How does our country elect the next president? Challenge number 8. Citizens vote to make decisions. Voting is a process where people make a choice. Watch the video from PBS Kids called Let's Take a Vote. Discuss. What are the different ways the children in the video voted? Watch the video again if that helps you answer the question. Challenge number 8 continued. Citizens vote to make decisions. Voting is a process where people make a choice. Citizens vote in their communities. We are citizens in our classroom community. Let's vote on a decision for our classroom. Classrooms can vote on many things such as read aloud books, brain break activities, games, and more. Let's vote. What could our class vote on? What are the choices for the vote? Think to yourself, what is your choice? Vote. Share voting results and act on the decision. Sample ballot. What book should be our next read aloud? Duck for President. Click, clack, moo. Giggle, giggle, quack. Challenge number 9. Citizens vote to determine who will be president. Talk to an adult about their process for voting in this election. Share with them what you have been learning about the presidency and voting. Ask the adult if you may watch them when they vote. Challenge number 10. Wow, look at all the things we have learned about the presidency, voting, and elections. For your final challenge, play a game of election tic-tac-toe. You can do it. You did it! Congratulations on completing the Election 2020 challenges. You are a super citizen. Color your certificate and hang in your home. Super Civics is a Learning Law and Democracy Foundation project, partially funded by grants from the Clean Water, Land, and Legacy Amendment and the Minnesota Department of Education.